I'm Christina and Trefzger, and on this episode I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious salmon, teriyaki salmon. I'm going to show you the list of ingredients and then we can get started. I've got some salmon here. I've cleaned the salmon, and you can have that with the skin too. You'll also need onion. I used half of that. Soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, a little of lemon juice, salt, white ground pepper, oil, water that I have diluted with some cornstarch, and some toasted sesame seeds later, and coriander. Into my skillet, I just turn on the heat here. I'm going to put some cooking oil. Gonna save some for later. Just put it here. Put in the skin part of the salmon. And then I'm going to cut the onion. You can see here I have half of onion. And we are going to caramelize the onion later. That's it. My salmon is done right now. There's still some oil left. I'm just going to put my onion inside. So, a bit higher. This is gonna be really delicious. I don't claim this is authentic. This is just my mom's recipe and she's been making it for years. It tastes so good and I just want to share with you. And I'm not going to use a lot of sugar, or I don't really use sugar at all here. Oh guys, it smells so good here. And during the time, I'm going to cut my coriander. I'm going to put some white ground pepper. Just a little bit of salt. After 3 to 4 minutes, you could see that it's a little bit translucent and the onion has softened. I'm going to lower the heat really low. I'm going to put some soy sauce, a little sweet soy sauce. I know a lot of people, they use sugar for that, but I think the sweet soy sauce is going to give the really nice nutty flavor, and it gives this really nice caramelization. And I'm going to put, this is cornstarch diluted with water. I'm just going to give it a stir. I really like my teriyaki sauce to be liquidy, so I'm going to put like this much. And don't forget the lemon juice. So it's gonna be sweet, sour, and a little bit salty. It's gonna be very yummy. Just bring it to a simmer until it thickens. It's sweet, sour. I'm just going to pour on top of my fish, my salmon. Look at that. And some coriander. I just love coriander. And the sauce. And some sesame seeds. You don't have to, but I really liked it. I'm just going to put some lettuce on it. Some cherry tomatoes. Look at that. Look how pretty it is. Look at those colors, and I'm sure your kids, they will love this. I just want to show you how it tastes like right now because I can't wait anymore. Just get a crunchy part. Dip in a teriyaki sauce. Did you hear that? It's like crunchy. Did you hear the crunchiness? It's perfect. A little bit more for me. It's really good. It's amazing. It's not too sweet. It's also not too salty. It's slightly sour, and I think kids, they should not eat a lot of sodium or sugar in their food, and I think this is just a perfect recipe for them. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and hope to see you next time. And don't forget to like my videos.